Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 8734 County Road 339 in New Bloomfield. This is a great property. It's a ranch style home, main level living. Also, it sits on 1.35 acre lot, so a nice big beautiful flat lot. I am currently downstairs in the bar area. There is a finished basement with a family room, an office, also a fourth bedroom. Now that fourth bedroom downstairs does not have a window, but it does have a nice big closet, and the bedroom is really big. Tons of storage here, just a great home. So come on in, take a look inside.